Hello everyone and welcome to the third video on the review series. If you remember in Unit 8 we talk about technology and in the ways in which we use technology. Well, in English there are specific ways of expressing the use of technology. So let's look at infinitives and gerunds. This is a very simple topic, don't worry. It's going to be a very short video. Now, to each its own. When we describe the purpose of something, tool, utensil, appliance, application, or technological gadget, it is important to use the correct form of the verbs we use. Well, the forms to be used are the infinitive and the gerund form. The infinitive is, the preposition to in a verb, and the gerund is the verb and the ing ending. Remember, swimming, running, eating, shopping. That's the gerund form. Now, some examples here. But before, in order to describe purpose, we also use the prepositions to and for, using them with infinitive and gerund verbs respectively. Look at the examples here. People use cell phones to make phone calls. Teenagers use the internet for doing homework. The rule is very simple. After the preposition to, the verb takes the base form, becoming an infinitive. And after the preposition for, the verb takes the gerund form. So if you see the examples, these examples, that is the cursor. The examples are very simple. People use cell phones to make phone calls. Teenagers use the internet for doing homework. No big deal. So after the preposition to, base form verb, and we have an infinitive. And after the preposition for, verb with the gerund, the ing ending, so we have a gerund. But here we have more examples. USB memories are used to store information. People use the internet for making video calls. Scientists use robots to perform dangerous tasks. Cell phones are used for sending text messages. So as it happens, and as you can see, this is a very short topic. It's not a big deal. It's only using either to or for in order to say the same thing, because you actually can say the same thing using either to or for, only keeping in mind that after to you have a base form verb and after for you have a gerund verb. For example, people use the internet for making video calls, but you can also say people use the internet to make video calls. What are you going to use, you may ask? Whatever you want. What people prefer to use the most is actually for and a verb in the gerund form. It's easier, simpler, but in some occasions it will depend on how it sounds. There are verbs that sound more proper if you use the gerund form or the infinitive form, but that will depend on you. Okay? If you have any questions regarding this topic, don't doubt to contact me via the community, or in this case, letting a comment in the comment section of the video, because as you know, this video will go directly to YouTube. Maybe you're actually watching it on YouTube now. So I hope you found this video useful and helpful in your grammar reviews, in your preparation for the final exam. Thanks for watching, and bye.